Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Noor Kids Crafters. I'm your host Ellen and this is the show where we make awesome crafts for kids. So today we are making this polka dot savings jar. I can see my money through all the little polka dots, which is really inspiring. Let's get started. You're going to start off with a jar. I used an old peanut butter jar. Then you're going to take a paper plate, unscrew the lid, and trace a circle around the paper plate. Then you're going to draw a few little legs off of that shape, and then cut it out. You should get this little sunshine looking thing. The next thing you're going to do is draw a rectangle in the top of it. Then cut out the rectangle. Put that aside for now. Then you're going to take your first sheet of construction paper. Take your jar and look for the top and bottom of it. Line it up with the sides of the paper and make markings. Then cut along the sides, almost like a connect the dots. Wrap it around your jar and mark where there's a little too much. Then cut off the excess. Okay, and this is going to be your main sheet of paper. Draw a whole bunch of circles on it. You can touch the top and bottom edge, but don't touch the side edges. Then cut out those circles. And this is what you'll have. Next, get your second piece of paper. Draw some more circles and cut out those circles as well. Next, attach the new circles onto the first set. Try to overlap the cracks in where you first cut so you don't see any seams. Add a whole bunch of glue and then glue it to the jar just like this. Alright, now you're going to bring back that sun shape. Color it in. I'm just going to use a little stripe shape, but you color it however you like. Fold down all of those little edges. Take your string and wrap it around them. So now those little ridges are holding the lid onto the jar. Now you're going to make your tag. Draw a tag shape on another paper plate and then cut it out. Trace it onto some construction paper. Cut it out, and then glue it on. Then just take a small pencil and poke a hole in that tag. After that, you're going to take some of the yellow dots, or some of the dots from the first color of paper, and glue it onto the back of the tag. Label the tag for however you want to use your money. I'm going to put Ellen's Sadaqah jar, because I'm going to use this one for Sadaqah. Attach the tag onto the end of the string, and then twist in the string so it stays on. And there you go, look at that. And that is how you make the savings jar. That is all for today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I can't wait to see you next time. And until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.